Drift Champion!
We have 4 finest drifters in the business. Shane Sullivan is another S15 Skyline car. Paul Stokey Smith, Toyota Turner Leader 126. And Steve Bianchioli is a Subaru Impreza with a 2.5-litre Toyota 1.2. They are all of the fastest specialist LZ1 drift attire.
Shane, just incredible. You're so close to the wall, so close to each other at times as well. Incredible car control. And that's what drifting's all about, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much. It's about going as sideways as you can, as fast as you can. We use these concrete barriers as a rear clip point, and often each other's door is a clip point too. As long as we're close together, that's where you score points.
You are an honest Shane with Motorsport Anorak. You've done rallying, you've done racing now, your 6th season of drifting. Which discipline do you enjoy most?
I absolutely love them all, you know, and I like to transfer from one to the other as well, but I think after 6 years of drifting, it's so explosive. I absolutely love it.
It's brilliant to watch. Where can people go to see if they want to see more of it? Where can they catch you guys in action?
The British Championships, which is the BDC, it starts in April, down from Linden Hill to Knockhill to Pembrey to Teesside, so it's all over the country. If you want to find out more about it, we do have a stand in the exhibition hall, or the Maxxis Tyre stand too. Anyone can help you out there.
Well worth paying a visit, I would say. Thank you very much for your brilliant display today. Give it up, everybody, please, for Shane Lynch and the Team Jack Speed Drifters.
I tell you what, all that horsepower and the brilliant control these guys have, it is superb. Now I think we should bring a bit of glamour in addition to our gorgeous Louise. Let's bring out our beautiful angels down here.